Hello friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this solar fountain pump. It's 2.5 watts. What's pretty cool about this is that it should just be, you don't have to run any wires or anything, just solar powered and let it go. So here we have some different adapters on top that's going to just change the amount of spray that's being, or the way your fountain is coming up. So different varieties there we have. Okay, here it is. There it is. We've got our solar panels around the top, and then we have underneath, of course, we have our little pump, our motor, looks like our battery portion there. So this is just going to sit in your fountain, something like that. Okay, and that's going to just collect the water and shoot that up. So that's pretty sweet. And then it comes with these little, hang on, bear with me. It comes with these. I'm not sure what these are for, but I'm going to set this up in my water fountain I got back, or my bird bath back there. And it should be pretty cool. I just want to find out what those clear things are. It's got some instructions here. So when in doubt, consult the instructions, right? Italy, French, Spanish, English, German, English. Okay. Thank you. Maximum flow pump, fountain life, 10,000 hours. Pump will automatically start within 3 seconds when sunlight recovery. Working hours during sunny days. And keep the surface on clean. Do not use solar fountain. So I'm not really seeing anything. Maybe those are used for like cleaning it out or whatever. But anyways, I'm just going to open this little top up here. Maybe. Okay, yes, I was able to open it. And these nozzles have just different various tops here. I'm actually going to go set it up in my bird bath right now. We'll take it out to the garden and we'll let you guys see how it works. So we'll see you out there. And I also got this little fountain thing here. We're going to put in there and let it shoot some water up. So here we are. That is looking really nice actually. Okay friends, here we are. I have it set up with actually this little solar powered fountain on top, which it works amazingly well. Looks really cool, but you can see how it is just really pretty in here. Hopefully we'll have some birds coming and playing in the bird bath there, but it's a nice addition to our beautiful garden here. And yeah, we really like it. I like the color. It pretty much matches everything, and with it being plastic, it should hold up really well and not get all rusty, so I'm pretty happy about that. Well friends, here we are out in the garden, and as you can see, this is amazing. I was a little skeptical as to how well this would work, so I did figure out what those little straws were for. They just go in little holes in the side and they keep your fountain centered. But look at that. No wires, no nothing. That's just from the sun, and it's putting up this beautiful little water fountain here. So we can change this top out too, and we can switch it. Notice when I just sit in the sunlight, then it goes off. Move out of the sunshine, and look at that. So you could, like I said, we have all these different ones we can put in there for different effects, but that is just absolutely really beautiful. We can like kind of zoom out here and show you guys what it's looking like in the garden. But it just really makes it look amazing. You have this little fountain in there, so not only do you have the aspect of how pretty it looks with that water, but you also have the kind of the gentle water sound of the garden, and it's just kind of relaxing. So you just come out into your garden and enjoy the beautiful nature and the sound of the water. So really impressed with this product. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.